What's up, guys? Today is the day. We're taking a drive to Čačak, one of my favorite places here in Serbia. My father-in-law has a house in Čačak. Used to be his parents. There's a bunch of work we need to do there.
Big grass over there.
Yeah, we need to cut the grass and trim the fence. It's gonna be fun. Not sure how long we're staying, but I'll keep you in the loop.
I don't know about the fun, but it's lots of work.
It's a lot of work, yeah, so he's not sure if there's fun, but yeah, it's okay. I'll take it. Right, guys, we're gonna stop here for a coffee, quick stop. Get some coffee, use the bathroom. We're right here on the highway, on our way to Čačak. That highway was not exist 12 years ago when I went Čačak last time in 2012. It's a new one, and they have a new gas station here to stop, to rest, get drink, eat, stuff like that. And it's a really nice highway. It's actually faster than the old one. The old one takes a long time to actually get there, maybe 2-3 hours. That one shouldn't take that much, probably like hour and a half or so. Anyways, look, I see something here very interesting. Look behind me here. Do you see that? This is McDonald's, but it's green McDonald's. I'm not sure why. Maybe healthy McDonald's. Let's see. Let's grab our coffee, rest for a bit, and then continue. We're gonna stop here for some fruits. See that place here? We're actually in Čačak now. We just entered. See, they have some good stuff. See here, they have strawberries, cherries. What is that? Plums or apricot? Apricot. Nice. We have some plants, I think tomatoes, cucumber. Very nice. Apple. Stopped here in this area called Ljubic. So Čačak on the other side behind me, all the way there. We're finally here. I just left them behind me over there buying some water, and the property right there on the right. But it looks like we're catching some rain. I don't know if you see that. I see big heavy cloud above me.
Stuff is going on me, so much water.
Yeah, it starts raining, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're walking now towards the property. You see there's some playground here on my left.
We should show them right.
So nice and fresh. Almost there. Yeah, it's that one right here.
Hold on, wait a minute. That one.
Yeah, right there. That property. Ah, it's been a long time. 12 years.
Oh,
So this is the front yard here. Oh my goodness. We'll have to cut all of this. It's gonna be nice. Gonna be nice. This is the back.
God. There's this weird
All right.
bug.
Well, I don't think we're cutting the grass today. As we expected. We got really heavy rain now, so no way we can cut the grass. So hopefully tomorrow all that will dry up and then we can take our chances. It's slowing down a bit now, but still the grass is really wet now. By the way, do you see that tree, guys? That one, it's an apple tree. My father-in-law just told me now it's over 100 years old. That tree over there. How crazy is that? I can see some apples there, like small ones. I'll take you on a really nice tour once we clean the grass and cut everything. Because the land's like really big. Goes all the way back to the river. There's a river or creek, right?
Creek there.
Creek, yeah, there's a creek down there. We'll go there if we can, hopefully. Do you know what this, guys? Do you know what this is? It looks like jam, right? It's not jam. That's something called slatko. Slatko here usually, or what I've been told is like, if you visit someone, traditionally they give you like coffee, Turkish coffee or Serbian coffee with some of that slatko. Like you have teaspoon of that and drink coffee. We're gonna try this now. So we have that one, this one plums, cherry,
Yeah.
and that one strawberries. So we have strawberries and cherries. I'm gonna try them now. It looks pretty much like jam, but it's not. So this land here has like so many trees. They have hazelnut trees,
Yeah.
and what else?
Walnut.
Walnut,
Walnut, apple,
cherry, sour cherry.
sour cherry.
Almond.
No almond, I don't think so.
No almond,
Grapes,
Then some ones.
plums,
plums.
Peaches. She said there's
So
one
it's
almond.
very rich land.
apricots.
An apricot as well. I see some grapes here. Alright, so here's the coffee. So basically you put any of this one in here. That's traditionally served, right?
Yeah. And you would,
So you put it here.
and you usually have, you serve it for guests. And they would have like a spoon of this before having their coffee, because this is really sweet and the coffee is very bitter. And usually you get a glass of cold water with that, or mineral water.
So either this slatko or ratluk,
Turkish
delight or sugar.
Look, yeah.
Yes.
2 cubes of sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are usually made like homemade,
Mm-hmm.
and it's not jam. It's kind of like preserved fruit and sugar.
Yeah.
It turns into like a natural syrup, basically.
Yum. I'm gonna try
Yeah.
now. So you're gonna put some here?
I'm
One
not.
is white
Okay.
cherry, another one is a wild strawberry.
Okay, let's eat straight from there.
So it's the whole fruit.
Yeah.
This one
Oh,
has lemon
nice.
inside.
So you're gonna feed me
Yes.
like a king?
Yes.
Mmm.
That's a cherry one.
Nice.
White cherry.
White cherry.
Mhm.
Oh, it's sweet, but it's good.
Very sweet. Then you take coffee after.
Let me take a sip. Is that mine?
Yeah, sure.
So you take. It is sweet, but I like it. So you take a spoon of that and then
Cold water
Mhm.
and coffee.
yum, yum, yum. Next, please.
That's a white strawberry.
This is a wild strawberry.
So, ili forest strawberry. Totally different taste than the regular strawberry.
So these are wild strawberries. Oh, it's really good.
But they're calling them šumske jagode.
What? How?
Šumske jagode.
Shum.
They're small
Which means like
and
forest.
very. The smell is totally different than the regular.
Yeah. I can't pronounce that, but here's my mother-in-law. Say it again, Mama.
Šumske jagode.
That one.
That
It's very good. It's really good.
It's yummy, but so sweet. Oh my god.
But actually, the contrast between that and the coffee,
That's good.
it
right?
works. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Unfortunately, it's still raining. So we arrived yesterday, as you know. But since we arrived, the rain really hasn't stopped. It stopped for a few times, but still raining a lot. So initially we wanted to cut the grass, as I mentioned here, and at the back. If you see at the neighbor's side, it looks really nice. But the weather not helping us. So it's really wet, so we cannot do it. Not sure if that's gonna happen or not. But in the meanwhile, while the rain happening now and we cannot do anything, we'll take a drive to the town of Čačak and we'll see how the day will go. I'll tell you a short story about this piece of land. It's actually a beautiful piece of land, but requires tons of work. So the story is, this piece of land been in the family for 5 generations. Like my wife will be the 5th, so it's like over 100 or 200 years, almost like over 200 years. As I mentioned earlier, like there's a creek down there, it's beyond the creek. So basically, to give you the idea about how big the land is, it's 20 meters wide and 400 meters long. So it goes all the way down. Here they have the house here, the front yard over there, and the main gate. And then you can go keep walking. Unfortunately, we cannot cross now. And they have all these like mature trees. Produces like walnuts, hazelnuts, and plums, and like so many different kind of things here. Honestly, I don't know what's on the land exactly, but I know it has a lot. It's a beautiful piece of land. They have storage outside here. And then what I was standing beside, that was the outdoor oven and the smoker or smoke room. That's what's called right here. So you can smoke your meat up here. And here's the outdoor oven. It's very nice, like really got potential, this piece of land. So if you are one of those people who like to be like off-grid or self-sustained life, that will be perfect for you. So it looks like it'll be raining the whole day today as well. We cannot really do much. So we'll try to go around, check the city as I mentioned, and see the actual town there. Eat something, drink something, I don't know. One thing though here, like I found this place, oh my god, full of snails. And they're like big, like that big, like that, not exaggerating. It's like this big. So many. Everywhere. I don't know if that's normal or not. My father-in-law said no, this is like unusual, but they're really a lot. I'm here. See all these here? These are roses. See the roses? This one is blooming. And right here, that's a fig tree. And this is here, I see lots of dill. That area was actually used for planting food. I'm not sure what exactly, but they told me it was planted probably, I don't know, lettuce, tomatoes, or peppers, or something like that. It was in this area here. But everything overgrown now. See that tree producing lots of apples. Still not ready to pick yet, obviously, but I can see lots of it. Bit disappointed, the rain doesn't want to stop, and we just keep circling around. Cannot see anything really. Cannot get out of the car. We're gonna take our chances now and cut the grass.
Yeah.
So we're going to get the machinery
Where is mom?
to start. She's right over there. I'm gonna get this going, man. Look at Tata's outfit. And look at me. Look what am I wearing. What am I wearing here? Some old Crocs, plastic bags. Amazing. Are you guys joining us?
Yeah.
Ah, and the dog too. Hey, buddy. Are you gonna cut the grass too? So these are all the machines. Should I pull this out?
Let me figure it out.
Technical stuff. Look at my pants. Look at my pants. Yeah.
This one, we're not gonna use it. No.
What is that piece?
It's supposed to be cover, and there is a grass collector.
Today we're reporting live.
Serbian style. So now I'm officially, you know,
Srpski stil.
yeah, Čačak-Kenyan. Something, you know, like, look at that. That would be my new outfit.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, please focus on the Crocs, yeah. How do you like my design? Go. Push. Go.
Jackie. Hi, Jackie.
Look at this here, hazelnuts from the land. Here, this is 50 years old. And then we crack.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. That's a big one.
You can eat.
Yeah. Yum.
Hopefully not bitter. Is it bitter?
No, it's good. It's not bitter at all. It's really good. So you come here. If you live in an area like that, you're covered. Fully covered. All kind of nuts. Wow. So these are just dried, right?
Yeah.
It's not roasted or anything.
No, they dry. Fall off from the tree.
Yeah. So where is the tree for the hazelnut? All the way down there?
Yeah, that's bush.
Oh, you have one here too?
Yeah. You see big-
Look at that. You have one here and at the back. How cool is that? Look at that one. Out of focus. Anyways, you got the idea. You can't focus. Here. It's a very good snack. And healthy.
Mhm.
That's why you guys here live for a long time. Luckier. How is it? Good?